Managing money is hard today. Bills keep growing and many people don't know where their money goes every month. But budgeting apps can make life easier. Today, we'll explore the best budgeting apps in the USA and Canada. Many people spend money without tracking it. Small daily expenses slowly become big financial problems.
Budgeting apps automatically track spending, organize bills, and help people save money faster.
The first popular app is Mint. It helps track spending, bills, subscriptions, and savings in one place. YNAB means you need a budget. This app teaches users how to give every dollar a purpose. Pocket Guard shows how much money is safe to spend after bills and savings are removed. Good Budget uses the envelope budgeting system. It helps families control spending together. Every dollar is simple and beginner-friendly. It helps users create monthly budgets quickly. In Canada, apps like Coho and Wealthsimple help users track spending and manage savings easily. Budgeting apps also help users save for goals, like vacations, emergency funds, or buying a car. Using budgeting apps daily can improve financial habits and reduce stress over time. The best budgeting app depends on your lifestyle. Try different apps and choose the one that feels easiest for you. Start tracking your money today and take control of your future. Small changes can create big financial success.